really quick video here on finding the equation of a line. This could be done with coordinates, but it could also just be done with a line drawn. So let's just do it based on this line drawn. The first thing we know, we need to put it in this format: y equals mx plus c. Okay, so you need to know the gradient and you need to know the y-intercept. Okay, now for this question, what I'm going to assume is that every single one of these lines represents 1. So 1, 2, 3. You'll get given a scale in an exam: 1, 2, 3, etc., etc. Okay, so first thing, gradient. How to find the gradient of a line? Well, it's change in y divided by change in x. So make sure you're aware of that first of all. Change in y divided by change in x. All you do is pick 2 points where it crosses perfectly. It doesn't matter what 2 points you pick. Just pick 2 points where it crosses perfectly through the corners, so they're full coordinates. Draw a triangle, and your change in y is basically how high that is. So I can see that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my 4 is my change in y, and my change in x here goes across 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the equation of line A, the gradient of line A is 2x, so I know it's going to be y equals 2x. And then the next bit I need to find is this y-intercept. This y-intercept is basically where does it cross this line, and I can look at that here. That is clearly at -2, so it's y equals 2x minus 2. That is the equation of line A. Let's take that and put that up there. Next one then, very quickly, you can see the lines going the other way, so it's clearly going to be a negative gradient. I do exactly the same process. So I'm still doing change in y divided by change in x. So I pick 2 points on this line. Doesn't matter what 2 points I pick. Let's pick these 2 here because they're quite easy. And I can see my change in y is 3. My change in x is 1. One thing I would say is just make sure you double check this scale on your x-axis. Sometimes they'll do 2 squares as 1. In this case, I've just done 1 square as 1. So my change in y is 3. My change in x is 1. Well, 3 divided by 1 is 3. But as I said, we know this line's going down. It is a negative gradient, so it's minus 3x. And then I need to figure out where it crosses the y-axis. It's very clear that that crosses at 4, so plus 4. Okay, that's your very quick crash course in equations of lines. And just make sure you're finding change in y divided by change in x. Don't get that the wrong way around. Okay.